Hi, this video is about how to create a straight stair using our Customize Ceiling module. First, you go into Customize Ceiling, click on the wall, then Background Wall Design. Click on the white region, then Draw Polyline. Start to draw the shape of the stair side elevation. Let's say I input 150 for the step height and 250 for the step length. Repeat until you reach the preferred step numbers. Then you join them as a closed region. Right-click to end. Repeat the same steps on the second part, but the shape is a bit different. Then I'll draw the platform. Here I'll just draw the rectangle and change the size and move it. In the 3D preview window, I only see the rectangle. That's because the polylines are not transformed to region yet. To do so, just click the shape, then transform to region. Then you click on each region to change the extrude distance. Let's say we put 1000. And the base wall I will change to 3. Okay. So repeat the same steps if you would like to add on the steps to the top. So this is the final drawing. Happy trying. Bye.